What's up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap for the day ending October 6th. Starting with SPY. Uh, SPY still showing bullish signs in here. And today was a down day, obviously, after the Trump tweet. But as of now, it looks on the uptrend. It'll be interesting to see tomorrow and how it goes on this one. Qs. Q is showing some kind of a reversal in here. So I'm looking at this double top in here and this and it's sloping down, and again helped by the market Trump's tweet in here. So it might start rolling down in here. So I'm kind of turning bullish on this one. IWM was strong throughout the day, and still looking very strong in here. My greens still pointing upward in here, so I'm still bullish on this one until it shows signs of reversal. Quick look at some of my key holdings. Apple is still within this rising wedge in here, a widening wedge in here. Even though it started to roll down, I'll probably start putting some kind of a trend line in here, and if it starts if it starts to touch the lower part of this trend, then that would be like a downtrend, and then I'll start thinking of taking my position off here. But right now I'm still holding on to this position. AMD is looking very strong in here. Doesn't look like it's turning around, even though there was a 2% down day. Microsoft definitely shows sign of some kind of a reversal in here, but I did say that I'm going to still wait for it to bounce somewhere from within in here, right? So I'll put this trend line. If it breaks this trend line anywhere here, then I would continue to be a bull on this one. Else I'll start a bearish position on this one there. All right. Next, let's take a look at the 4 positions since I opened after I started this video log. Baba was actually a very good day today until the tweet, but again it still looks very good in here. It is in an uptrend. Fastly still is moving up in here. It had a fantastic day today. It was up like more than 7% until the tweet, but still it looks in an uptrend in here. Now if it can maintain within this narrowing wedge and or break the upper trend line, then I'll still continue to be a bull. Marvel again was a very good day for this, and it positive even after the tweet, so it looks good for me within the channel. And finally Square showing some kind of a pullback, and that is expected since there's a huge runaway from the averages in here, right? So I'm still okay with this thing as long as it can bounce off the 13 EMA or the 34 EMA. So it's still looking good for me on the plus side. Now let's take a look at the numbers. Here are the numbers again. As I said, early morning Baba was looking really bullish, went to 298ish kind of thing, and then I had to actually close my covered call here for a premium of 1327, which brings me a PNL of $265 on this one. And then immediately I had to open 300 strike that expires on November 6th for a premium received for 1492. So I sold for 1327, which means I covered it for 1327, which I bought, and I sold it for 1492, right? So I had to make sure that it was above, and the strike price was above the current price of the stock. So I took a 300 strike. So that's one I opened, and this one I closed. With Fastly, again the same thing. So it was moving way above 100 call in here. So I had to cover this one by buying at $4 premium and sold a 105 strike for a premium received of $4.30. I closed this one in here. Next one is Marvel, again the same thing. So it was trending higher, so I had to close this by buying for a premium of 203, and I then sold this one for 195. I couldn't get a really good price on this one further out, strike at 43, so I had to settle down for a little less, but nonetheless it's a good match in there. And finally Square. Square did dip quite a bit in here, so but the 182.5 that I had sold for 814 is now 555, which is like 259 in the in the P&L in here. So this is going to help me cover for any kind of down on the main leap in here, right? So overall P&L as of now is plus 2068, which is very good considering it's been just 1.5 weeks on all of these positions in there, less than 1.5 weeks, right? So it's a good P&L as of now. All right, that's for the update for today. Talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.